Alexei.
Yeah, it works now. Finally,
Good.
looks like Google Chrome works a bit better than Microsoft Edge on Linux. Okay, so let's start with the sidebar. So I don't have any slides, but I can show what it was, how it was before, and how it will look in the future. So in 6.7, you remember we had just several topics in our sidebar. It wasn't so useful. So actually, we have more than 7,000 of topics, but here you can get access to only a few of them. So the first approach to improving the navigation within the documentation was adding a bit more topics to the sidebar. So we managed to add more topics. They were pretty useful. People started to read them and complain about them. That's good. So they are now visible, approachable. People can see them, read them, but that's not enough. Of course, here we have several dozens of topics, not all the 7,000 of them. Later, I tried to improve the navigation in the Qt Creator itself. So in Qt Creator, if you remember, most of the trees looked like this. So we could have classes, XML types, and some automatically generated list of tutorials or examples. For 6.9, this is an old tree actually. For 6.9, I added the subtrees for each module we have. So now the modules have pretty full tree of all the topics we have in each module. So the navigation within module in Qt Creator improved significantly. You can feel the difference for Qt Core, for example. So previously it had only C++ classes. Now it will have all the stuff we try to explain in Qt Core module. So it looks pretty useful, easy to navigate, and people can see what how to deal with this module. How it is done? It's done in each project. So for each module, I added a module name -doc.qdoc file that has a list of items. They can have nested lists. This stuff should be strictly valid, otherwise the tree will not work at all. So if you added new topics after July this year, please ensure that you have this topic in your topic list in the tree. So this tree kind of defines the structure of the documentation within your module. So for each module, you should have this module name -doc.qdoc file. And then the next stuff we decided to do is to bring this updated module navigation for the website itself. And we managed to do this. For 6.9, we added something really nice. It's the tree that contains all 7.5 thousand topics we have in our documentation. How it looks like, how does it work? It works like this. So we have a base tree. It's actually the subtree we see in QDoc project. Here it is. The same tree is also on the website. And to this tree, we added essentials, just to the next nodes. Then we have add-ons and extensions. So here we have the add-ons. It lists all the modules and their documentation, everything, as subnodes. And after add-ons, we have extension modules and tools. Here there are extension modules and tools. Everything is available from your sidebar. You shouldn't guess where to find all the necessary information. How this stuff is defined? It's defined with this commit. It's still not merged yet, but we are going to merge it soon. So we have a configuration file in XML format. Yeah. So what does it have? it just defines the structure of the documentation tree, how the stuff is added. The order is important. There are some other fields and stuff. You can read the entire documentation about this. So I added some description here as a comment. So you can get the idea how to change something if you want to change something. So yeah, if you are not satisfied with the current documentation structure, if you want to move something important up or something not important down, like what I did with deprecated Qt 3D model, you can contact me, or you can change this file directly once it's merged. Any feedback for within the Git commit is also welcome. So yeah, we improved the sidebar, the navigation within the documentation with the minimum overhead. Now each topic doesn't have the entire tree within it. It's done with JavaScript, so works pretty fast. Yeah, any feedback is welcome. Yeah, thanks for your attention.
Thanks, Alexei.